Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on NFC on iPhone. As you can see, my currently iPhone model is iPhone XS, which I'm using, and I'll show you how you can turn this on. So simply go to home section and scroll and find this app named Shortcut. And if you don't find it, simply go to App Store and download this app. After that, simply open this Shortcut app. As you can see, many shortcuts are here on the list. So just skip all of them and go to automation section. And here you will see no automation. Simply click on new automation, and after that what you need to do is simply scroll down a little bit, and here you will find the NFC. Simply click on this, and when you click on this, simply click on scan, and when you click on scan, and that is how you can turn this NFC tag on. So get this iPhone near the NFC tag and it will automatically detect it. So that is a simple process of how to turn on NFC on iPhone.